Paper is derived from nature and eventually returns to her embrace. We are going to follow a special journey of paper that we've never seen before. A dense green forest. This is a forest where trees are grown to produce paper, just like farming in a rice field. Here, many more trees are being planted than harvested to make paper. Each tree that absorbs CO2 throughout its entire life and provides clean air gathers and grows into a denser forest. The wood obtained from the plantation goes through a paper-making process to turn it into paper. The amount of CO2 generated when making paper is less than half the amount generated when producing plastic, reducing the environmental impact. Plastic, which accounts for 9% of recycling and 80% of marine waste, has a harmful effect on the environment and the human body. Paper that can replace these plastics is a necessary resource for our lives. The paper helps to protect the environment by transforming it into various shapes in everyday life, such as paper packaging, food containers, and straws. A whopping 2 million tons of paper are recycled in Korea every year. Paper is a sustainable material with the highest recycling rate. The other amazing ability of paper is that it can biodegrade and return to nature entirely. From tree to paper, from paper to the soil, from the soil to tree again. The cycle of paper continues today. Here is a company that develops sustainable materials with paper and protects the environment. Hansol Paper. Believing in the wonderful power of nature, Hansol Paper plants trees and nurtures forests. Hansol Paper have created forest plantations all over the country to contribute to carbon neutrality. In addition to receiving the EcoVadis Gold rating for 3 consecutive years, Forest Stewardship Council certifications, and the ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, Hansol Paper continues to make a wide variety of efforts to ensure green management and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Hansol Paper's eco-friendly production method is to make paper by reusing waste resources, such as mandarin peels, green tea powder, and cacao byproducts. Through constant research and proprietary technology, Hansol Paper has developed several sustainable paper materials, including Hansol EB, a flexible paper packaging material, Terravas, a polyethylene-free food container, Save the Whale wet wipes, which do not release microplastics, and Duracell, an eco-friendly functional nanocellulose material. In this way, Hansol Paper is developing sustainable materials that can replace existing plastic and chemical materials in various fields. Our forests today become the breath of the earth tomorrow. Hansol Paper is a company that protects the earth.